Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. So, dear students, in this video, we'll discuss some tricks for faster calculation in CUET 2022, right? So, these tricks will help you a lot, definitely, because questions में calculation to करना पड़ता है, right? So, you can use these tricks, right, to improve your calculations, right, guys? So, learning objectives, basically, the learning Vedic maths, or you can say some tricks. These tricks are the part of Vedic maths. Saves time and improves the interest in learning more application of maths, right? So some of the benefits, basically, just see these benefits. Just give me a second. These are some of the benefits of Vedic math sutras, you can say tricks and shortcuts, right? Are listed below. Calculation becomes easy and short. Simplification can be done in less time. Students undergo less mental stress, right? And one more, the most important point, the possibility of committing error by students using these Vedic tricks is negligible, right? और ये हम इंडिया से नहीं डिस्कवर किए ये ट्रिक्स वगैरह तो और मजा आएगा, right? So let's start, guys, without wasting any time. So first, we'll discuss some multiplication part. After that, we'll move to the squaring part, right? So, dear students, just tell me how to multiply these numbers. Like, let's say, tell me the product of 12 into 13. So, 12 into 13. अब इसको ऐसे नहीं कीजिएगा, please. Like, so 12 into 13 is like 3, 2, 6, 3, 1, 3. 1, 2, 2, 1, 1. 6, 5. Then take the sum, sir. 6, 5, and 1, 156. No need to do that. Guys, no need to do that. First, the most important part, ये सब learn करने से पहले, tricks सीखने से पहले, you must learn the tables up to 20. Table tips पे होने चाहिए 20 तक tables. Squares up to 25. Squares up to 25. And cubes at least up to 15. Right? तो 12 into 13 करना तो ऐसे नहीं करेंगे. You have to know the table of 12, either 12 or 13. Like 12 into 3 is 36, carry 3. 12, 1, 12, 15, 156. और इस order में नहीं करना table learn like 13, 1, 13, 13 to 26, 13, 3, 39, right? 13, 4, 52, sir, 13, 5, 52, then 65. No need to do that, right? You have to learn in random order, like 6, 4, 7, 2, right? So let's say the 14 का टेबल इस तरह लर्न करना है. 14 into 6, tell me 14 into 6 is what? 84. खुद से आना चाहिए. 14 into 6, 84. ऐसा नहीं just 14 and 14 फिर 6 पर पहुंच रहे हो. No need to do that, right? 14 into 4. 14 into 4 is what? 56. 56. Yes or no, guys? 14 into 7, 98. 14 into 28 in random orders. आपको learn होंगी tables up to 20. तब मजा आया basically. Got it? So this is the task for you guys, right? Baki tricks I will tell you, definitely. I will tell you many things, many interesting things. Now come to the next one. Let's say if you have to multiply. तो अगर आपको tables learn होंगे ना तो you can easily calculate such calculations. आपको 100 तक tables learn हो जाएंगे. Like tell me 83 into 7. What is 80 into 3? 7. So what to do that? तो किस तरह करेंगे? We can break 83 as 80 plus 3, 83 plus 3. We can write 83 as 80 plus 3. So just multiply 80 into 7. 7 at 56 and 0, 560. 7 into 8 is 56. Means 7 into 80 should be 560. 560 and plus 7 into 3, 21. 560 plus 21, 580. 580, right? Do like this. Let's say कुछ भी ले लो. 77. 77 into, let's say 5. 77 into 5. So what we'll do? 77 is 70 plus 7. So 5 into 70, 350. 350. And 5 into 7, 35. 350 plus 35, 385. Right? One more example. Let's say 93 into 8. 93 into 8. 93 into 8 is what? So 93 को mind में सोचो कि 93 is 90 plus 3. What we'll do? 8 into 90. 8 into 90, 8 9 72 into 10, 720. 720. No need to write 720. सोचना है आपको, mind में रखना है इसको. 720. 8 into 3 24, 8 into 3 is 24, 720 plus 24 744, right? Do like this. So ये कब होएगा? Basically आपको टेबल लर्न होनी चाहिए at least up to 20. Now next one, how to multiply two digits numbers like 23 into 42, 23 into 42. अभी तक most of the students क्या करते होंगे? सर 2 into 3 is 6, then 2 into 2 is 4, 4 3 12, carry 1 sir, 4 2 8 9. So take the sum then. 6 4 plus 2 is 6 sir, 9 9 9 966. ऐसे करते होंगे ना definitely. So guys, no need to do that. You can find the answer in, you can find the final calculation in one step only. Like 23 into 42 करना है. 23 into 42 is what? First multiply the unit digit of both numbers. First multiply the unit digit of both numbers. 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 2 is 6. So unit digit of the product should be 6. Now what to do? अब multiply करना है 10th place digit of first number and unit place digit of second number. Just cross multiply करो. Like 2 into 2 and multiply unit place digit of first number with 10th place digit of second number. Right? 2 into 2 is 6. Or take the sum. Cross multiply करके take the sum. 2 into 2 is 4 and 3 into 4 is 12. 2 into 2 is 4. 3 into 4 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. 16. तो क्या आ जाएगा? 16 का 6. 16 का 6 carry over 1. Carry over 1. Now multiply these two. Multiply these two. 10th place digit of both numbers. 2 into 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 966. 966. मैं एक बार और repeat कर रहा हूँ. 23 into 42. First multiply the unit digit of both numbers. 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 2 is 6. अब क्या करना है? Cross multiply करना है. Take the sum. 2 into 2 is 4. 3 4 12. And no need to write. ये mind में सोचना कि क्या sum आएगा यार. Right? 12 plus 4 is 16. 6 carry over 1. 2 4 8 carry over 1 966. एक different example लेते हैं. Like 72 into, let's say 72 into 33. 72 into 33. First take the product of these two. 3 into 2 is 6. 2 3 6. Right? 2 3 6. Now this into this plus this into this. 7 into 3 is 21. 7 3 is 21. Cross में multiply करके sum करना है. 7 into 3 is 21. Plus 2 into 3 is 6. 21 plus 6 is 27. 27. Carry over 2. Carry over 2. Now take the product of these two. दोनों का 10th place digit. 7 into 3 is 21. Plus 2, 23. So it comes out to be 2376. 2376. Similarly, tell me the unit digit of, sorry, not unit digit, tell me the product of, let's say 43 into, कुछ भी ले लेते हैं, 51. 43 into 51. क्या करेंगे? First multiply these two. 3 into 1 is 3. अब cross में product करो, take the sum. 4 1 4, 5 3 15. 4 1 4, 4 5 3 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. Carry over 1. 5 4 20. 5 4 20. 5 4 20 plus 1 21. 2193. Got it now? So in this way you can easily multiply to two digit numbers, right? Easily कर सकते हैं without using these two steps. Follow these two steps, right? So no need to follow these two steps. Directly कर लो one step में. Now similarly, tell me the product of 69 into 71. 69 into 71. क्या कर सकते हैं कि 69 into 71 you have to find 919, 919. फिर क्रॉस में प्रोडक्ट करके take the sum. 616, 7963. 63 plus 6 is 69. 69 carry over 6. अब 6 into 7 is 42. 42 plus 6. Right? 42 plus 6 is 48. 4899. It comes out to be 4899. Got it, guys? ये कर सकते हैं. And one more thing, एक चीज और कर सकते हैं यहाँ पर. What? A square minus B square. What is A square minus B square? A square minus B square is A minus B into A plus B. A square minus B square is A minus B into A plus B. So you can also use this one ना, like क्या नंबर है आपके पास? 69 into 71. 69 into 71. तो देखो 69 को इस तरह सोचो. 69 को हम लिख सकते हैं ना. 69 we can write it as 70 minus 1. And 71 को we can write 70 plus 1. Yes or no? Though. So this is a minus b, this is a plus b. So using this identity, a minus b into a plus b is what? A square minus b square. Means 70 square minus 1 square. 70 square is 4900 minus 1 square is 1. What you will get? 4899. Same result. 4899. Got it, students? What you will get? 4899. तो देखो यार एक चीज ध्यान रखना कि आपको 70 minus 1 70 plus 1 ये नोट लिखने की जरूरत नहीं. नो नीड टू राइट. आपको सोचना है 69 into 71 70 minus 1 and 70 plus 1 70 square minus 4900 minus 1 square minus 1. So directly you can write this one 4899. So, next tell me 38 into 42. 38 into 42, either you can solve it like the last method by using last method. 38 into 42, 8 to 16 carry 6 carry over 1. 8 to 16 write 6 here. 8 to 16 write 6 here carry over 1. Then 3 into 2 is 6. 8 4 32. In mind में सोचना, no need to write. 32 plus 6 is 38. Carry over 1 is 39. Carry 3. Carry 3. No need to forget this carry over, right? 3 into 4 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 50. What you will get? 1596. And you can also apply a square minus b square. 38 is what? 40 minus 2. And 42 is what? 40 plus 2. So this is basically a minus b into a plus b. That is 40 square minus 2 square. So 40 square is 1600 minus 2 square is 4. What you will get? 1596. What you will get? 1596 as the result. Got it, guys? So you can use anything here. Either this one, ये तो सब जगह वैलिड है, बट ये कुछ रेस्ट्रिक्टेड केस में वैलिड है, यहाँ अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते. लाइक इफ द नंबर इज लाइक 38 into 40. अब अगर आप इसे लिखोगे तो बहुत गंदा हो जाएगा ये 38 into 41. अब किस तरह रहेगा? देखो, you have to write this with respect to 39.5. This is 39.5 minus 1.5, and this is what? 39.5 plus 1.5. अब तो ये और लेंदी हो जाना है. इससे बेहतर है we will solve it like 38 into 41, 188, 313, 84, 32. 32 plus 3 is 35, carry over 3. 3, 4, 12 plus 3, 15, 155. Got it, student? 1558. ठीक है, तो अगर देखो डिफरेंस ऑड का हो तो हम a minus b, a plus b पर नहीं जाएंगे. Right. So next is let's say if the number is like 54 into 56. 54 into 56. यहाँ सोच सकते हैं. We can write 54 into 56 as 55 square minus 1 square. 55 square minus 1 square. So for this, you must know the square of 55. You must know the square of 55. And if the number is like, let's say 45 into 49. 45 into 49. So we can write it as 45 is 47 minus 2. 49 is 47 plus 2. So this is what? 47 square minus 2 square. So for this, अगर इस मेथड से solve करना है, for this you must know the square of 55 square, 44, 47 square. So our next target वही है, to find the squares of any number, right, up to 1000.